Hello, and welcome to Flippin the Bird.
Okay, this goes out to all those people who are posting on Facebook to the KFC Australian pages. Stop whinging about finding feathers in your food. I mean, seriously. For once you have found a clean, living organism in your greasy, fatty food that's covered with oil and probably like dead skin. So don't complain about finding something nice and white and pristine in your stupid, fatty, greasy food. Just eat it, be happy, get fat, and stop whinging. It's really annoying. I prefer Macca's anyway.